Baby's obsessed with this vacuum cleaner. Vroom, vroom. He loves both vacuums, and he can't get enough. Vroom. What are you doing? Vroom, vroom. He has lots of chores to do in this house. You got a lot of chores to do in this house, buddy. Come here, baby. What are you doing? Mommy and Daddy make you do so many chores. There's no time for playing. You got a whole house to clean. What are you doing? You got the phone! No! Silly bear.